Hey, it's Kelly Dix. If you're a Michigan resident, you probably want to know about this first-time homebuyer savings account program that just got signed into law February of this year, 2022. I'm going to break it down next. The First-Time Homebuyer Savings Account Program just got put into law this year. It's effective January 1st, 2022 until December 31st, 2026. So what it's all about, if you're a Michigan resident, you can open a first-time homebuyer savings account at any Michigan financial institution. It can be a checking account, it can be a savings account, or it can be a money market account. The account must be for the purpose of saving money for a future purchase of a Michigan residence for a first-time homebuyer. And what they're qualifying a first-time homebuyer as is any person that has not owned a home either individually or jointly within the last 3 years. This money can be used for your down payment as well as your closing costs, which are normal cost when you buy a home on your closing statement. When the savings account is opened, you need to determine a beneficiary to the account of who's going to get the funds. So it could be anybody, could be a child, could be a friend, it doesn't have to be a relative. It could even be yourself if you want to save money for a future home for yourself. Now this was something interesting that I learned. A type of home that you can use this money for, of course, a single family residence, so some home that you are going to live in. You can also use it towards a manufactured home, a trailer, a mobile home, a condo, or a co-op unit. It just has to be a home that's going to be your primary residence that you're going to live in. Some benefits of this program, if you are an account holder, is that you may be able to qualify for a tax deduction on the money that you put into this account. So if you are an individual filer, you get to claim up to $5,000. If you are a joint filer, you get to claim up to $10,000 possibly deduction on your Michigan income tax. Another benefit of having the savings account program is the money in there gains interest. And as an account holder, you may also get to qualify to deduct that interest on your Michigan taxes. Maybe one of the downsides of this program is the financial institution that is holding the money is not responsible for tracking or filing anything for your taxes. You as the account holder need to keep track of your contributions, any withdrawals, any interest, and you'll need to talk to your tax accountant with how you need to file your taxes. But you as the account holder are totally responsible for maintaining the activities in your account. Another drawback possibly is that there is a maximum amount that you can contribute to the savings account. The maximum is $50,000. However, the account can still gain interest as it sits there and accrues interest. Also, another drawback, if you're an account holder, you can't have the same beneficiary in multiple accounts. You can, however, have multiple accounts, but you would have to have different beneficiaries. Also, too, if you're a beneficiary for these accounts, you can't have the same person giving you these funds. You can have multiple account owners giving you the funds towards a purchase of a home. So I hope that makes sense. Something else of interest that I found was that the contributions to your accounts can be in cash or in marketable securities. So any of your securities that can be easily liquidated can be put into this account. So obviously you want to do more detailed research on this on your own, but I'm just trying to give you some good ideas of ways you can contribute to your. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight into the first-time homebuyer savings account that was just put into law this year in 2022. So do some more research on it. You can search the Homebuyer Savings Account Program, or they are called Public Acts 5 and 6 of 2022. And do your due diligence, talk to your accountant, and maybe talk to your attorney. Hope that helps. Thanks.